Hit the turn, flip the bird, bust a bitch, make him swerve. Bang into the curb. Oh, word, we absurd.
Alright, what up, guys? Nate Vlogs here. We are going to be doing a fidget spinner take apart. I know it's simple, and weird because on my channel I barely ever do anything. And I dropped it. But the very first thing every spinner person wants to do is pop out the bearings. One bearing. Stop. Get that off there. Stop. Two bearings. Get it off. Last bearing. All three bearings off. That looks wrong. But so here's the outside skin of it. Looks crazy. It's legitimate crazy. It's not even spinning that fast. It's going nowhere, bro. Done. So that's the first step. Take all the bearings out. Now, you don't have to do this, but honestly, I want to. Go. Is take your thumb caps off. Stop. Oh my gosh, my thumb caps are on there good. Get back to you when I did that. Alright, so got the thumb caps separated.
Everything I said is gonna be in your video.
Actually, yes, it is because I've got very good audio. Well, my microphone. So it's gonna be in there. But there it is, and if you want, you can leave the thumb caps in, and then you could pop the middle bearing out. So pretty much this is all a spinner is. This is the inside. Put it up here. Move the camera. That's like way too wobbly. Go back over here. I'm gonna get back to you when I order it. So here's all the parts. The thumb caps over here. Then the frame, the body. That's all it is. Some 4 holes in plastic, cut, measured. The bearing that spins it. The ballpoint bearing, and then the outside bearings, regular ballpoint bearings. 3 of them. So, go ahead and lay out all the pieces. To that, and these. So really, it's just like that. The bearings on the plastic, and then pop the thumb caps on. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, put this together on camera. So if you ever take apart your spinner, this is like a take apart and put together tutorial. But most spinner people should know this. Pop the middle silver bearing back in. The spinning bearing, well, the bearing you use, because you can get multiple different kinds. And then pop the thumb caps in. Just line up the holes. Pop them in. Make sure that kink is in the middle. Then you're going to want to align your bearing. Again. And then make sure the thumb caps are on there. Nice and tight, and push it against the table. And then pop each bearing in one by one by one. And spinner's back into shape.